Good morning, everybody. It's Chef Red from KPKandies. Today we're down at the Cary Food and Flea Market from 12 to 4. I'm going to show y'all my setup. As you can see, I put everything into my Ultima. This Ultima has been very good to me. So I have all my bins in the back, my tent back there, my weights, then my trunk. I have my tables and my other set of weights. So I got everything from out of my car. One thing I learned as a chef is a term called meat supply. Meat supply means you get all your ingredients out before you start preparing your dish. So I got my 2 tables, I got my tent right here. I just bought these same weights, so they're 20 pounds a piece, and I have additional weights right here. Trash can, chair, and I have all my products in these containers. So I'm going to set up. I'm going to move my car. Other vendors are starting to come out here right now, so I need to go ahead and get it moving. I'll check back with y'all when I have everything ready to go. Got all my stuff out here, so I'm getting ready to move my vehicle and come back and finish up. Other vendors are starting to come out. Got my tent weights on. So last time I was out here, it was pretty windy, and it was windy yesterday. So we're gonna see what the deal is today. So if I have to order more weight, I will. But right now, I'm looking at about 30 pounds per leg. So we'll see what happens. All right, got my products set up, ready to go. About to put my walls up on my tent. Graham cracker delight, baby. Little toffee crunch, simple vanilla, s'mores crunch. Got my samples right here. So this will be the last event I do outside for the summer. Got other vendors starting to line up out here. Yeah, this place is gonna be crowded about 11:30, 12 o'clock. Come on out. Cary Food and Flea Market, downtown Cary, 12 to 4. Come check us out.
Oh, let me show you the earrings.
Check for the banner in the back. Man, I had to move everything on the inside, set my walls up. It's a lot cooler in here. It is getting hot out here. Or maybe I'm just moving around a little bit too much. But I have it so the customer can actually come inside the tent. Question is, where am I going to put my banner? So I got my stuff covered up for right now. So I got a few hours, so I'll make it do what it do. Chef Red. All right, after some moving around, I had to throw the walls up inside my tent because where I'm at, the sun is beaming in my area at least till about 1 o'clock. So it's a good thing I bought these walls. It's my first time ever using them, so it's doing what it needs to do right now. It's keeping the sun out. The banner is popping. I got my little setup station right here. My bags, peanut toffee crunch, graham cracker delight. I got plenty of samples out here. So again, this will be my last outdoor event until the fall, at least for the chocolates. Probably jump back out here in May with the granola, so the candied granola. I'll have a honey vanilla, and I'm coming up with a new flavor, the maple bourbon. So yeah, if you in Cary today, come on out, man. Check me out. These tent weights are a very good investment. The wind is blowing pretty hard. As of right now, my tent is not budging compared to last month's tent. All right, we had another great day over here at the Cary Food and Flea Market. It's a little hot. Chocolate started to melt a little bit, but we still sold a pretty good amount. So next step, is the Sweet Factory, Fayetteville. Here we come. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for hanging out with KPKandies. Have a good evening.
You want me to use these bags for these?
Tent, everything broken down. Chocolate funds already gone to the crib. So this is the end of a beautiful day. See you guys at the next one.
www.kpkandies.biz